Hey, Regina here. I wanted to get on here and give you some tips. This video is directed toward people in their early 20s. Actually, you can start this at 18, 19 years old, but it's going to be geared to people in their early 20s. One, start building your credit. How do you do this? I remember when I was 18, 19 years old, in my family, my parents, I was taught you got to go to college, you got to get that degree, you got to get that education, and the importance of getting education. But my parents are not educated but didn't graduate with a bachelor's or master's or associates, only went to 12th grade. So they said, Regina, I need you to get your education, and this is what you need to do. Now, I was blessed. I didn't have to have any student loans because I went to college on a basketball scholarship. I was a junior college All-American, and then I had a 4-year scholarship at a local university. My parents tried to teach me about credit. I listened a little bit, but I had to hit my head the hard way by being in college, not taking care of my credit. But anyway, in your early 20s, what you want to do is you want to start off by building your credit. How do you do this? You go to www.capitalone.com and you apply. You get a secure card. Secure card is where you put a minimum deposit, maybe $250, it may be $500, and you borrow it against your own money, which in return, Capital One is going to report to your credit report. Just a small deposit is worth an investment. And then 6 to 8 months later, you apply for that American Express Gold Card. Now, why do you do this when you're young, when you're 20, or when you're 18, 19, or 20 to start build your credit? Because you want to be able to go what? You want to be able to buy your first car by yourself. You want to be able to, if you want to go buy your first house, you want to be able to lead your way up to, with your credit, to buy that first house, to get that first car. In your 18, 19, or 20, or maybe early 21, you might not even be thinking about building a house, or buying a house, or having kids, or having a family. But you are thinking about the future. So that's why you want to build your credit and get that first credit card. Well, we call it secured card. Get that. And then later on, 6 to 8 months later, again, you apply for that American Express Gold Card. You gotta build your credit in your early 20s. It's not like back in the day when your parents were growing up and my parents were growing up. Oh, how many years ago was that? My parents grew up in the 40s, the 50s, and the 60s. And now, if you're in your 20s now and it's 2021, your parents grew up in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Oh, well, no, they were 80 babies, right? So you want to start right now is building your credit because you're setting yourself up for future purchases. You're also setting yourself up to be able to rent an apartment because nowadays, apartment buildings, they pull credit. They want to see, have you paid anybody? When you go to rent that apartment or you even go rent that house, they want to look at your credit report. Your credit report is a snapshot. Whether you have that ability to pay. You apply for a cell phone. You want a cell phone, whether it's T-Mobile, AT&T, Sprint is not around anymore, but any mobile company, they're pulling your credit. They want to see, how did you pay your bills? Did you not pay your last phone company or your last cell phone company? So credit is the way of life. It's the way of life. So if you start early, it's gonna help you as you go along in life. When you get to your 30s, when you get to your 40s, when you get to your 50s. And heaven forbid, if you even make it to 60 or 70, you're gonna need your credit. Number 2 is job experience. This is the time to start thinking about, what do you wanna do? Back in the day, it was like 18, 19, 20. You're supposed to really honestly know what you wanna do because they're gonna set you up for later on in life. But now, since 2021, you want to get that job experience. Start thinking about the things that you want to do in life. Start that business. 20s is when you make your mistakes and you're able to correct them. You make a mistake. You don't like this business that you've chosen. Well, maybe you want to open up a beauty shop. You want to do hair. And then also maybe you want to sell hair. Maybe you want to have your own website. Maybe you want to be someone to be able to find you on Google. You want to be researchable, you want to be accessible, right? You want people to be able to find you instead of you having to go find your clients. So if you start that business and that business doesn't work out or it closes, you have time in your 20s to start that next business. You know, that one business doesn't work out, you go to that second business, or you go to that second and that third of that fourth career in your 20s. That's why the 30s are called the dirty 30s. The 20s is when you are just you're finding yourself. You want to know where your next step is, where you are going. Also, you want to think about investing your money, because in your 20s, you can lose money and then you can be able to gain it back. If you invest $7 a day, or if you invest $50 a month and you invest it in stock, or just get with someone that knows that field, whether it's an investment banker or a finance person, just get with that person and find out what you should invest in, whether it's stocks, whether it's bonds or IRAs, whatever you're going to invest in. Get with someone that knows the business, because if the market goes down and you lose money, you're able to gain it back because you're only in your 20s. Another thing what you want to think about when you're in your early 20s, and after you have actually started that business, you want to think about rich people that have all the money. They have passive income. They have more than one income. You know, they have, whether they have the real estate properties that they own and they're getting that money regardless every month, or even if what? Now, if you are a stylist, you're doing hair, you got one income, and then maybe you're selling hair. Women always are trying to, look at my hair, women are always trying to improve their hair or beauty supply or products to make their hair look better, or makeup. That's passive income if you're selling it. So think about the passive income, real estate, beauty products, or if you're in the car business, I'm in the car business. I sell cars. I have 2 other streams of income. I own real estate, so I have passive income for that. And the other thing I'm working on, which I'm really not really talking about because I'm working on it, that's gonna be another way of me having passive income. And my other passive income is my nonprofit that I'm growing, getting grants, teaching kids financial literacy. That's passive income. So you want to have multiple streams of income. That doesn't matter what age you are at. Passive income. But the great thing about your 20s is what? 20s, you make your mistakes and you move on. I could probably go another 10 to 15 minutes about ways that 20-year-olds can take their wealth to another level. But I'll save that to my next video, where I break down all the components that will help someone in their early 20s to build that wealth, to be able to grow. Because when you're in your 20s, you need to make all your mistakes because you're getting ready for your future. Your husband, your wife, or if you're getting married, or your significant other, your kids, your dog, or whatever your dreams are. You're getting ready for the future. It's about being prepared. Where do you want to be in your 30s? Where do you want to be in your 50s? Where do you want to be in your 60s? What year do you want to retire? Or do you always want to work? Do you want to work in your 60s? Do you want to work in your 70s? Or do you want to be able to just take that nice vacation once a month? Or do you want to be able to live 6 months out of the year in Florida or a warm state? Or do you want to have that other home in another state you can visit anytime you want to? If you start in your 20s, you're preparing for that next level. So thanks for watching. If you like what I said in this video, like this video and like all my next videos, because I am sharing a wealth of knowledge. All right, guys, see you on the next video.